Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can charge your Realme Buds Q2s. So first of all, before the charging you have to remember to remove the foil from the pins. Then put both earbuds inside the charging case. Close it. And right now, as you can see in the back, we can find the USB-C input. So we have to grab any USB cable. That's actually some kind of the fake Huawei cable, and you have to plug it right here. Then we can find the second end. That's the USB-A. We can plug it to our PC, laptop, to power bank, or for example to this charging brick. That's also some kind of the no-name charging brick. So we have to plug this cable just right here. And then this, and of course we have to plug to the electricity. There we go. And right now, as you can see, the case is charging because we can find here this red indicator, and it will take around 1 hour to fully charge your case and earbuds. When it turns green, so it means that they are above the 75%. And that's how we can do this. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.